street photographers that stand out to me in all of my time being a photographer. Now, you know these names. I know you do. Vivian Maier, right? She was a photographer who didn't become famous until she passed away, when her street photographs were discovered in a locker. And also Henri Cartier-Bresson. Look at his work, one of the most famous street photographers in the world. Now, I'm only mentioning 2 out of the hundreds and hundreds of very famous street photographers. But you are also a street photographer if you've ever taken a photograph outside of people, places, or things in public. That's simply